those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high.
Hey Life Fam, welcome back to my channel. So to make this delicious banana cake, this is all the ingredients that we need. We have our flour here, our brown sugar, butter, 2 eggs, and vanilla sugar. We are going to be needing 2 very ripe bananas, a pinch of salt, and of course our mixing bowl. We are going to start by cutting the banana. So I'm going to be melting my butter in the microwave. So fam, for the list and measurements of all the ingredients, you can check the description box below. So I'm going to be breaking my 2 eggs inside the mixing bowl. Yeah, I'm just removing the nasty things from the egg. I'm adding my bananas, vanilla sugar, pinch of salt, sugar, just mix everything together. So fam, this is what it's looking like. So now I'm adding the melted butter. And I'm also going to be adding my Greek yogurt. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can also use fresh cream if you have it. It's time to just add the flour. So guys, I'm using a self-raising flour for this recipe. That's why I did not add any baking soda. So fam, I'm going to be mixing everything again for the last time.
Stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life.
So right now I'm just adding some almond flakes. This is totally optional. You can skip it if you like, or you can decide to also add any nuts of your choice, but it kind of adds to the crunchiness, and trust me, it sure makes a big difference. Voila, our cake is ready, guys. So this banana cake was super delicious, and that almond flakes just added a lot of crunchiness to it. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.